Today we talk about how can you change your email on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on you down here. When you just click here on you, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on account security here. So when you just click on account security, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to email, click here on add. So when you click here on add or edit, click here on edit on your email address. So then here add your new email, then you click here on continue, then it's going to verify your new email on your Temu app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.